Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome once again to yet another chapter under the fiqh of worship, the chapter of pilgrimage. And pilgrimage happens to be, a very interesting chapter, a chapter that a person might find a bit strange or difficult. You might find some strange things or difficult things due to the fact that it is best understood when a person practices it himself. So without practice, it is a bit difficult to understand. So, but in this place, in this presentation, we'll just be talking about the most important things to know. Alhamdulillah, people that perform Hajj or perform Umrah, perform pilgrimage, generally, they are put through most of these things. So they are always put through. There are always people there to put them through. So it makes it a lot easier. So, but now we just need to take the most important thing so that even when a person performs it and you find somebody putting you through, it will only be in addition to what you already know. So we just take the most important things and the basic things that we need to know regarding the pilgrimage. So we're talking about three aspects generally: Hajj, Umrah, and slaughtering. So Hajj means a pilgrimage in a specified place. That is a holy pilgrimage in a specified place at a specified time according to guidance of the Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam as a form of worship. So it is a pillar of Islam. So to perform pilgrimage at a specified time, according to the guidance of the Prophet, and also with intention as a form of worship, then that is Hajj. So we should also know that it is a pillar of Islam. So Umrah is a lesser Hajj. It's similar to Hajj, but with slight differences. So some use terminologies, and this is why I said you might be finding it a bit strange because there are a lot of new words here. So fidya linguistically means ransom. It linguistically means ransom. So, but when we use it in the presentation, we know what we mean by fidya. So ihram means intention to perform Hajj, preferably altered. Preferably altered. So in this case, unlike every other case, that we have been mentioning intention. So we never stated that it was preferable to alter it. So intention is something that stays in the heart. So, but in this case, this is an exclusion. That is, it could be altered. It is preferable to be altered in this case. So miqat refers to boundary or stations where prospective pilgrims are expected to make ihram. Ihram that we just defined depending on their locations, that is the locations they are coming from. So sa'i, what it means walking back and forth between months as Safa and Marwa. So Mount Safa and Marwa with intention. So walking back and forth is also one of the actions that a person performs, during the pilgrimage, during Hajj. So talbiya simply means saying the statement labbaik Allahumma labbaik labbaik la sharika lak labbaik innal hamda wa ni'mata laka wal mulk la sharika lak. So that statement, saying it simply means talbiya. Like when we're talking about salah, so we mentioned takbir. Takbir simply means saying Allahu Akbar. So the same thing with talbiya in this case. So talbiya also means saying a particular statement that I just said. So tawaf, this is not the first time I'm coming across it. Tawaf means making 7 consecutive circumambulations around the Kaaba in a pure state with intention and covering of nakedness. So in this definition already we have stated some of the conditions. So wajib, plural is wajib, but it's not the first time I'm coming across it. But in this under this topic, there's a slight difference. So it means actions such that when left out forgetfully or not can be rectified by slaughtering a ram. So this Hajj, by the time we begin to talk about it, we see that it's a unique form of worship on its own. So it's like a person. It shows the authenticity of Islam. It shows the authenticity of Islam. That Islam is actually real and it is from the Creator. So so that's meaning of wajib. Other terminologies will be explained in due course. Other terminologies will be explained in due course. So this is where we end in the first video. So in the coming videos we continue from here.